Exactly 1 year ago, the city of Wuhan, China was under an unprecedented lockdown to contain a mysterious new virus. As Jeff Semple explains, life in the epicenter of the COVID-19 pandemic has largely returned to normal.
Lately, Bin Jiang has been feeling homesick. The Calgary father grew up in Wuhan, China. He was visiting his parents there last year when the city became ground zero for COVID-19.
It was scary. I've never seen the city like that.
Ottawa even sent a plane to rescue Canadians trapped inside, including Jiang's family.
I was happier than winning a lottery.
But 1 year later, that pandemic script has flipped. Wuhan is roaring back to life, back to school and work, still wearing masks but breathing easier, knowing there hasn't been a confirmed case of COVID-19 since last spring. Jiang even considered taking his family back to Wuhan.
Because, it would be safer for our kids, safer for us.
China's economy is also recovering, driven by manufacturing and an unprecedented demand for PPE. 95% of Canada's imported face masks last year came from China, even while some local manufacturers sat on the sidelines. When the pandemic's first wave crashed into Canada, this BC-based manufacturer pivoted to produce medical masks.
We were getting contacts from all sorts of different people requesting having different types of PPE.
But company president Mark Rose says after 6 months, their masks remain in the warehouse, caught in red tape. The U.S. government agency that certifies N95 masks is dealing with a backlog. And without that certification, Rose says they've struggled to sell to local health authorities.
Our products are collecting dust on the shelves. We just can't get these to market. And the government seems to be buying materials from other markets.
Other markets like China. Last year, Canada bought $1.5 billion worth of Chinese face masks, millions of which were later recalled over safety concerns. But those pandemic purchases helped to fuel a record-breaking trade surplus for China, the only major economy that actually grew last year. The country where the pandemic appears to have started is now profiting from it. Jeff Semple, Global News, Toronto.